To fix the error, you have to uninstall and reinstall Office. Now, before you uninstall Office, make sure that you have the account, that is your email and password associated, which is associated with the purchase. So make sure that you have the Microsoft account details, login details, email and password to which your Office is registered, your Office is activated. So make sure that you have that account. To uninstall it, you can search for, like for example, if the Word is not working, you can search for Word, like save your works, save your work first. So if you have any work open, you can just save everything, and then you can go to application, and then over here you can see Microsoft Word. Make a right click and then click on move to bin. In my case it's open. Make sure that you save it, and then you can uninstall it. Move to bin. Okay, let me quit. Now move to bin. Enter your Mac password. Gone. If you're facing problem with like Microsoft Word, then or Microsoft Excel, you can make a right click and then move to bin. Again enter your Mac password. Once done, you can move all the application, Office application, with whichever you are facing the problem, and then you can make a right click and empty the bin. Empty bin. Empty. Now you can go to this website, that is account.microsoft.com. Once you go to account.microsoft.com, you log in with your account, your Microsoft account, which has the Office, which has the Office purchase, or which has the Office activated. You can go to that account, and once you log in, go to subscription over here, and over here you can see install option to install Office. So here you can see download and install Office. So I have this Microsoft 365. Now click on install. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file and you can install Office once again, and then you can check. After you install it, you have to log in with the right email and password, and then you can check. That should fix the error. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. And after you move everything to bin, you can restart your Mac once, and then you can go to account.microsoft.com, and then you can go to subscription, and then you can install this Office. Now still you are facing the problem, receiving the error, then you can, in Google search, you can type in how to remove Office license from files on Mac, and then you can go to the official Microsoft support, which is support.microsoft.com, how to remove Office license files on Mac. Now you can read this. Important: before using this tool, make sure that you have the correct account info and password associated with your purchase of Office available for when you reactivate. Make sure that you have your account details, because you need to reactivate. Now before you log in, you can read this, go through this, read all the notes, and then you can download and run the license removal tool. Click on it, and then you can run this file. This program will remove Office 365, these Office for Mac licenses from this computer. This operation cannot be undone. So only if you agree, you can continue and read the terms. Continue. If you agree. Read everything carefully, and then continue. Install. Enter your Mac password. Allow. Once it is done, success. I will move to bin. Now once this is done, now you open any Office application. You can open Word, Excel, and then you have to log in with your account, your Microsoft email and password, and then you can reactivate. For me, I have uninstalled, so let me install Office. So if you're going with this process, make sure that you have the email and password which has the Office, and you can download this removal tool once it is removed, and then you can open any Office application, Word, Excel, and you can log in with your email, Microsoft email and password, and that should help you to fix the error. So now you can open your Word, Excel, and then you can start using it, and you should not receive that error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video. And if it is asking for your email and password, you can log in with your email and password and activate it, and then you can start using it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.